Happy Tuesday, weekly reset day. I gotta do all my weekly stuff. I need to do my custom deliveries. What else? These tomes. Ooh, I need to reset I need to spend my healometries. Maybe I spend them on new relics. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways. Let's see. Oh, it is Shatter. Do I want to play Picto today? Do I want to play Picto today? Do I want to play Picto today? I feel like playing Machinist. Yeah. No. What do I feel like playing today? All reliable. All reliable summoner. Okay, so I spent a lot of brain power trying to figure that out. So I'm recording this while I'm downloading the update for Windows 11 because Windows 11. Oh, we don't have a tank. This is great. I should just stick to playing late night frontlines because 10 hours from now we'd get gamers. We get the people that are unemployed and have nothing better to do. So today I am updating to Windows 11 because it is Windows 10 death day. Rest in peace, Windows 10. I'm still on it. I have been too lazy to swap over. Until today, when I saw a short from Linus Tech Tips talking about it, and it reminded me that it exists, so, you know. Now that I remember that it exists, I will be updating. And I have a feeling it's going to be an all-day thing. And it's going to take me a while to get through. Which sucks for me because... Which sucks for me because I really just messed up in not figuring it out earlier. I had a bunch of friends that have done it earlier, and I just did not. You are not living. Unless, you know, for some reason, the game, whenever you shoot Kuichi away, for some reason, the game is like, oh, that guy just doesn't exist anymore. Which, I mean, fair. That's what it's supposed to do. But, like, in PvP, I think that's stupid, right? Oh god, I sneezed again. Crazy. I'm fine with this outcome. I know I died, but... Oh my god, cool. I need to... Oh, sorry, I needed to blow my nose. That was gross. Anyways. But yeah. That's what I'm doing right now. Let me go check on that. It is 90% done. Dude, it was 12%. Okay. When I started queuing up, this was like a 7-minute queue. Something like that. When I started queuing up, it was at 12%. And it had been at 12% for like... it had been at 12% for like 10 minutes before that. I was watching a video. I was like trying to see how long it would take. And I was like, okay, it's just gonna stay at 12%, I might as well run a front line and see what happens. I ran the front. Now that I'm in the front line, whenever I got out of, once the queue popped, it hit 50%. I was like, okay, that's cool. Start recording. It's probably gonna hit around 70% by the time the game's done or something like that. If I'm lucky, I guess. But what actually happened is that it's now at 90%, right? It's at 96%, and if my game, I hope it gives me the option of when to start. So we'll see. Okay, now time to focus on the game. Oh, if I was there, that would have been a good ult. This is now a good ult. Let's cut you off here. Incredible. This is really good damage here. I'm fine with dying here because... No, I'm not fine with dying here, actually. I just realized how far ahead Red is. That's crazy. It is what it is. After this, I'm probably going to be trying out that Toho game again, because hard mode is hard, so maybe I'll just do normal, do a playthrough of the game with normal, or on normal, and then see what happens afterwards. I know I'm a big Toho fan. By that I mean I've played like 3 of the games. Well, I played most of the games, I should say, but I've only finished like 3 of the games because the games are hard. Okay, I'd say I'm a big Toho fan. I'm not really a big Toho fan. I'm a Toho fan, just not a big one. I'm not like super crazy into it. Alright, this is not something we should push. This is now something we should push. Oh my gosh. You are not killing me, man. You're funny. I started the greatest fight of all time. Uh-oh. We're getting... What? Yellow? Yellow betrayed us. I guess for a good reason, because we were also ahead of them, but damn. It'd be like that. Anyways, we go this way. I would like the small nodes. Small ice. See if I can push over here actually. Maybe I should have swapped to machinist for this. Nope. Yep. It's not worth it. Let's just get ours. Guys, name is Friday Morning. That's a pretty good name. I was watching there's this guy on YouTube. I don't know if he still does stuff, but he was he made videos on like multi-boxing in MMOs, and I don't do it, but I think it'd be I just thought it was interesting for someone to like have a full party go through like I think he's gone through Heaven on High, and I think he's gone through all of the Palace of the Dead. Which, by the way, Palace of the Dead solo was something I wanted to try, but my god, it's so much work. I remember being at interesting. Maybe I should play Astro. Oh my gosh, I should play Astro one of these days. Hold up. I really like Astro, but I like it in Kasumi Conflict more than anything. Why is Yellow doing this to us? Whatever reason Yellow's doing this to us, it's incredibly annoying. We should just back off from this fight. Because we're too split and red is destroying us right now. Never mind, they're backing off for whatever reason. Okay, sorry. I saw a mosquito and I was gonna try and kill it, but I was not able to. Anyways. We should fight red. What? Okay, anyways. Let's do this. Uh-oh. Whoa! I got obliterated. Okay. Someone has... I have too many link shells, man. There it is. Let's see. I just want damage. I don't think we're gonna win this, no matter what I do. Then again, I don't think I'm doing anything. Okay, yeah, yellow is starting to attack us again. This is a fight we run away from. I don't think we do anything. Okay, now we can kill red. Now we can... Run, 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 run. Please don't fight this. We needed to try and get one kill. Yeah, this is... It's a little bit rough because all we need to do is, like, pick off as much of red as possible. But now that we're ahead of yellow, we're probably in the crosshairs anyways. This guy's crazy. This is rough. Nice. Hopefully I stunned. No, I did not stun anybody there. That was a crazy fight for us, actually. That was pretty good. I'm just gonna do this to keep them away from us. This is incredibly bad for us, actually. The Gunbreaker still does not die. Very interesting. Try and keep yellow off, because I feel like yellow is snowballing right now. I only got 2 people with my... At least it looked like it. This machinist read the big ass Google Doc on how to play frontlines. It's Disruption 101. Or Distraction 101, I should say. Nice. Thank you for moving back towards your team. And I only still got like one person in this. Let's get the combat out. I don't think... Okay, we do have to fight red here. I don't know how though. Like this. Okay, back off, please. This is incredibly bad for us if we get wiped here. I only dived in so I can do damage. Like, see, okay, look, I dived right into their team, and I didn't get targeted. I hate Picto, dude. I'm just a target on my back. I just realized. Oh my god, dude. Now again, I'm not doing this to try and do damage. I'm doing I use Comet to try and force positions. Like if we push red in, my idea was that hopefully yellow would take the bait and go in. Obviously that didn't happen, but oh well. I might want to. Ooh, I kind of want to be part of that fight though. Yeah, we need to push in red like super hard. This is a terrible position, I'm just realizing. It's really bad for us specifically because we're just funneling damage into red. Red has their... They don't have the big ice. They still win off this. Our best course of action would have been to go through their spawn and over here, but that's incredibly hard to like coordinate with people. Yeah, I've seen like so many people try it, so many teams try it, but it just didn't work out. Anyways, 2 milli damage. Is that my first 2 milli on the series? Probably not, but we'll see. We will see indeed. Oh wait, first of all, before I tell you, I'm series level 20 now. We're almost there. 5 more series levels, and then we hit the glam. So, anyways, onto the spreadsheets. 10, 14, Shatter, Summoner. What were we on? We were the Flames. 3rd place, unfortunately, but it's not my first 2 million. Well, it's my first 2 million recorded. No, it's not. Never mind. It's over here. 202. That was a decent game though. Like, our team knew how to fight. The only problem was that we just didn't have any, I don't know. If we had more coordination, we would have gone through red spawn and then tried to gank them through there. Because they were just... The funnel was just not happening. It was just not having fun. Alright, well... Anyways.